In this video, I will discuss how I use this calculator to multiply two matrices. We start with selecting mode, matrix, select 6 for matrix. And let's now define the first matrix, matrix A. Select 1. Now we define the order of the matrix. It is a 3 by 2 matrix. So I select 2 for 3 by 2. And let's insert the values of the elements of the matrix. 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 1. And press AC to save. Next, we define the second matrix, matrix B. Select Shift 4 for matrix and select 1 to define the dimension of matrix B. Select 2 for matrix B. And the dimension of matrix B is 2 by 3, so I select 4. And now let's insert the values of each element. 2, 0, minus 2, 11, 1, and 1. Press AC to save. And now we could multiply these two matrices by selecting Shift 4, press 3, and then press multiply. Again, Shift 4 and select 4 for matrix B and press equal. This is the answer to this problem. You will get a 3 by 3 matrix.